And then just kind of talking about the strings command, which is, again, not a volatility-specific thing, although they do have a strings plugin. This is different from that. It's basically going to be a way to kind of get only the readable text, the ASCII readable text or Unicode readable text from a dump, right? It could be from an entire memory image. It could be from a process dump. It could be from a file, right? This is applicable to anything, but allow you to get out information from memory, from processes such as like IP addresses or domain names, passphrases that may have been used, or words that are also associated with it. It can be good for generating word lists for password attacks if you need to go down that route. It can also get you program content like chat communications, Word documents, emails, things like that. Configuration files and registry keys. It's built into Linux and Unix, Macs as well, and Windows. You can use the sysinternals, basically port of that. It's going to do ASCII strings by default, but you can do Unicode using a switch, so something to kind of be aware of. So it's important to note that even without detailed knowledge, you can get an idea of what a process was doing or what was associated with it. When I'm doing when I'm doing malware analysis, often one of my first steps is running strings against the executable, right? What strings are in there? So it kind of gives you an idea of what may be involved, right? And that can give you IP addresses or domain names it was calling back to, right? It can tell you that it was the modules that were loaded and so on and so forth. So it gives you just it gives you kind of a cursory view of it, but sometimes that cursory view can give you the IP address that you want to look at next, right? Or whatever.